Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be having leftovers. I ain't feel like cooking. I was busy today, so I just had to go get what was left over. So I got me the rest of the chicken salad. Gave my husband part of it, and I got part of it. I loaded down with shredded lettuce this time. Last time I had the iceberg lettuce on it. This time I got the shredded lettuce. There's a lot of it on there too. And I got the rest of it. Got me some chips. And up a little lunch. A little lunch, that's it. A little lunch. Almost time to go to bed. I was joking. It's just 2:30 in the day. And got me some good old watermelon. Let me try the watermelon first. You want a piece? No, I ain't gonna be greedy. I'm gonna keep that for later. Later. Cause I started eating that watermelon and I won't not stop eating that watermelon. I keep on eating it. And I got me some water. Ain't nothing like it. Woo. It's hot outside. Oh man. I think even though I don't go nowhere, I think I need to just go outside in the daytime and sit out there. Not sit out. Just go outside walk out in the yard and come straight back in the house. Come straight back in the house. Ain't no walking out there. Let's see if I can work with these sandwiches. Ooh, they heavy. Lettuce gonna be falling. Lettuce gonna be falling. I can tell y'all that right now. Lettuce gonna be falling. Oh, Lord, if I ain't got these jokers going on fall on out. Lord have mercy. Let me push some of this stuff up in here. Talking messy. Messy. Come on now, work with me, work with me. Let me find a spot to bite. Let me give y'all a bite first. Let me give y'all a bite. I'm left hand, I'm gonna chop it in my left hand. And I hope I don't drop none. Y'all get y'all a big old bite. Get you a bite of this. Oh man. Oh man. Ah. It's still in front. What's that crazy? Jack the one off the front to bite. I got lettuce. I got. Lord, I'm making a mess. I got tomatoes. Extra tomatoes that I cut. I want some extra one. You know, tomatoes make the sandwich just slide. I am really hungry. But I like eating. I really do like eating this time of the day. I really do. Because then I won't have to worry about no dinner. So that was still good to go. That's why I got this fork too. For it to try to help me not to drop so much. I haven't tasted in a long time. Wish I could get a few of my sandwiches. I started getting me Caitlin got a hoagie roll back there. I started getting one of them, but it still falls out there too. Tuna fish and stuff like this falls in and out. Then I thought about putting it in a salad. I don't know. It's just one of them days. I love tomatoes. I really do. Now I tell you, anybody got a garden and they got tomatoes in their garden, or even if you just say I ain't gonna have a big time garden, some people just say they want stuff like tomatoes, cucumbers, you know, little stuff like that. And they just put pots out on their deck and stuff like that and grow it like that. We did it 1 year. We had purple tomato. You know? Put it out like that. You just got to buy them from stores, expensive that they are. I don't do it every year. I should get my husband to do it every year since he loves to be outside. Plant some tomatoes. That's all you got to plant. Don't worry about nothing else. I ain't hollering about nothing else. Just some tomatoes. I can't eat cucumbers, so I don't eat cucumbers. So, they good though. Hope y'all can see good. I'm sure throwing down. I sure am now. So I'm gonna pick my husband for supper tonight when he get from work. I guess between there and then I figure it out. Ah! Y'all something. Too hot to put the oven on. Just put the oven on early in the day. Can't wait till it get late evening. Do y'all have a problem with y'all air conditioning? If you put your air conditioner on, like in this time of the day, or either 3 o'clock in the day or something like that, I mean, put your oven on, and it's real, real hot outside, like 90, almost 90 something way up there. Do you have a problem with your air conditioner staying on the whole time, like hours and hours and hours at a time? I know we do. And we don't have that. Sometimes put the oven on and do it. If it's extremely hot outside, it'll do it. It'll come on and just stay on. After this got there, a lot of people had problems. I thought one time it was our old unit we had 3 years ago. But we got this new one. Same thing. It ain't as bad, but it's still doing. Ask y'all some questions. What's your favorite foods today? First, I'm gonna ask and I'm gonna answer too. What's your favorite cereal? What's your favorite cereal? Mine is Raisin Bran. That's my favorite cereal. I love Raisin Bran. You know, I probably say this, how many days a week can you eat the same vegetable? You love it that much, but what's your favorite vegetable? Y'all already know mine is. I only had to answer. Y'all know broccoli. Broccoli. What's your favorite snack? Like in chips. This is not mine. I'm just eating it because I love Lay's plain with sandwiches. Sub sandwiches, tuna fish sandwiches, chicken salad sandwiches. I just love Lay's plain because go with it. But my favorite chip is my daughter here says that Funyuns and all. I eat Funyuns, don't get me wrong. But I love this those Doritos there. The spicy Doritos. I love those. I don't eat a lot of them, but I love them. And I don't know if it's just the flavor, but they are really good. I got 2 little small 25-cent bags now. I opened one about the weekend, ate 3 of them, and still got about 3 of them in the bag. You know, little teeny one you get in the variety pack. Get a whole lot of little ones in there. Now you know that's foolishness. Ate a few of them in there and trying to savor them. You know, they don't put spicy chili. That's it. I was trying to think. I ain't want to hold y'all up. And I love them. They are good. I think that's what the name in the purple bag. Yeah. That's them. I don't know what it is. I can't think of on this camera. So I get for a gift. So I know I'm on camera. I don't know what it is. We might have a tendency to eat stuff like this in the summertime because it's hot. But I ate a lot of potatoes, or baked potatoes too. I ain't had none some days. It's time. It's time. Because I ain't had none of some days. Time for me to get some. I got some. You got to cook them. I try to eat variety. I do my best. But I just love some food. I just love it. I just love the same, some of the same food. And I see a lot of mukbangers do it. A lot of mukbangers eat crabs every day, if not every day. The 7 days of mukbang, 5 of them is crabs or some coast type of seafood crabs like. So what they like to eat, I guess. I've seen some. There's a lot of chicken. A lot of chicken. I've seen some here, a lot of noodles. A lot of noodles. Yes. Noodles all through the week. I enjoy it. I can love them to eat. Me, myself, I love to see people eat crabs. I love to eat crabs. But I just love to see people eat in general. Yeah, especially the entertainment. I love it. Yeah. What's your favorite snack cake? What you like to snack on as a cake? Mine is Oreos. I love some Oreos. My daughter had came out these new ones. And they were just trying it for the moment. I didn't think I was gonna like them. She told me, she said, mint. I said, mint? Oh my God, where'd you come up with that from? I ate the mint Oreos. Oh my goodness. Man, they're Girl Scout cookies. It reminds me of Girl Scout cookies. I went from, oh no. She had 2 for $5. That was months ago. No, ain't no, just did that or not. I'll put some of hers inside my pack. She put them for me to make sure bad stuff they don't want to eat it. I think she bad because she think Mama gonna like it. So if you buy some and you really want, you're gonna at least eat enough to say you ate some. She's a birthday cake. Birthday cake. She loves everything birthday cake. I don't care what she get. I don't care if it's a meal replacement. She gonna sit there making a birthday cake. She loves birthday cake and confetti. Birthday cake and confetti. Both of them same to me. No, she love though. She love it. Maybe because it's so sweet. Cause it is sweet. It really is sweet. I don't care for it. I really don't care for birthday cake. Nothing child too sweet. But she always been a sugar person like sweet sugary stuff. This girl still eats Skittles. When she was young, I couldn't get nothing red. I get some red. And no drink red, no candy red. I mean, she'd get really hyper. She'd be jumping all over my bed, jumping all over the seats and everything, can't keep still. And I ain't understand why. Doctor says that the dye in it. Red dye wasn't good for kids. Yo, doctor told me, the pediatrician told me way back. You know I ain't give her no more. I had a fit if my husband gave in. I had to put up that girl jumping everywhere. I'm sick of jump too. If I'm from seat to seat. Right now, no, just bouncing. Can't keep still. What's your favorite condiment? What's your favorite condiment? Everybody got a favorite condiment. Or do we eat variety? We got favorite one we love to have. We eat almost anything. Now, if you're an egg eater, and your favorite condiment can go on your eggs, yeah, that's your favorite condiment. Because my favorite condiment is ketchup. I don't want no eggs. I know the mayonnaise lovers. They love it. Some of them put on their eggs. So do that and say it's good too. My cousin put ketchup on his eggs. He said it was good. I might try it one day. I might just try it. Not all the way on my eggs. Just try a little bit on the side and see how it tastes. When it comes to the egg, y'all know in the video I gotta have mustard. Just the cheese and eggs. Mustard gotta go on the eggs. No, I ain't eating them. I'm not eating for no mustard in them eggs. Nope, I'm not eating them. What's our favorite candy? Yeah, I got a hiccup on that one. Because I got 2 to 3 that I really do love. Really love. That's a Twix. I really do love a Twix. But I don't know if I can put it in front of a yolk peppermint patty or not. I love yolk peppermint patty. I think yolk peppermint patty is my favorite. Now, I like Hershey with the almonds in it. My little dark chocolate. If I can get dark chocolate, I'd rather have dark chocolate instead of milk chocolate. I'd rather have dark chocolate. I bite the almonds like the Hershey's. And if I get a M&M's, oh no, that's my worst one. I eat a Milky Way before I eat a M&M's. But I'll take the nut out of the Hershey's and eat that with a little chocolate. But M&M's, I'm enjoying up with a M&M bar, glorified M&M bar with a big old almond in the middle. I do the same thing. I bite the almond out the middle. I remember the time my husband had some. I was craving something real sweet. I go back there at his stash. I ate the almonds out the almond joy. And stuff out of here. I ain't nobody been messing with my stuff. He knew I did it. He know I go in there and get cake and stuff on, go through and pick through it and eat it the way I want to eat it. He know with me. He know I'm good for it. But my favorite is York peppermint patty. That's my favorite. I got baby Ruth too. Bones I can say my favorite. And I gotta get the little miniature pieces. For some reason it tastes better. I gotta get the real small pieces. Yeah. What's your favorite food? Probably about can't guess what my favorite food is. I've been doing this a little over a month. And I haven't eaten it but one. Well, I ate it twice in 1 week. And I used to eat it about every day. At least 4 or 5 times a week. That's ground turkey. Or turkey in general. I love some turkey. Turkey wings. I don't do too much with the legs. I see a lot of people eat the legs. That's what I might try one day. I don't want to smoke. The state fair. This people had smoked turkey legs. Me and Casey, we're going to go down there one year just to go to the fair, just get some turkey legs, see how it tastes. That clay out is good. I don't know. I don't know, sometimes it's dry. Or sometimes turkey legs can be dry. Especially if you, if they smoke. I really too thought you do. I really truly thought you cook with them turkey legs like that. I really thought they were made for cooking. I really did thought they were made for cooking. And that's the truth. That was good. Good. Oh man. So man. Walk over there with the plate. Getting on down here to the goodness now. Ooh. Come on, watermelon. Get the food up my mouth. If it had a couple on slide, I would have cut this thing all clean up and gotten some more. Piece of gun, you never know what happened. I got nervous drinking all the water and have watermelon too. How much water y'all drink a day? And I wonder if you got a certain type of water you like, if you get bottled water. The reason why I ask, because it come in different brands. Deer Park, Aquafina. Excuse me. What's the other one? What's the other one? There's a lot of off-brand one. Food Line make one. Dasani. They ain't off-brand though. But they got a lot of off-brand ones though. Walmart got a whole line now. Sometimes people say you can't tell no difference, but that ain't true. If you're a good water drinker, you can tell different. Yep, you can tell the difference. Which one y'all prefer? Red potatoes? The golden potatoes? Or the russet potatoes? I like red. Really, to me, the red and the golden not too far from each other. What's a little difference in them? That's a little different in both of them. And then the russet potato, that's the best baked potato you want to get. My opinion. Because it's really good. I started out with snacks. I'm talking about asking about some of everything now. What's your favorite cereal? Y'all ain't got to answer all of them. Whichever one you want to answer. But what's your favorite cereal? I did ask what's your favorite cereal. I don't think I never answered it. Man, Raisin Bran. Raisin Bran. I think I asked and I started talking about something else. And forgot. I'm going to hurry up with this video because 30 minutes gone before you know it. What's your favorite pie? I think my favorite pie is apple. Old time apple. Well, I eat a few more bites of this and let y'all go. Ooh. Ooh. Well, I guess I'll let y'all go. I enjoyed this. Save my watermelon, I might mix with some banana with it later and have it for a snack. And that's what I actually really feel like I really like doing. It just having some of that frequency, something small, just talk and eat. Because when you get food, it takes longer to talk and eat. Then sometimes I can't understand what I said. So no, y'all can't holler understand what I said. Sometimes I can't understand it. Trying to eat and talk. You know how my grandma said, y'all not supposed to eat with a mouthful of food. Y'all supposed to talk with a mouthful of food. That's what they say. But I still do it. I talk and I eat. I love talking and I love eating when I talk. But it don't have to be no real food like that. I'm gonna let y'all go. Until next time, comment, like, share this video. Look back at any other video I have. Subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified that whenever I add some new content, you will be the first one to know and get a peep at it. No, look all the way through. Have a good day.